Hello, my witchies, and welcome back to my witchy kitchen, where I let you in on my favorite recipes. Today, we are going to be making a cranberry simple syrup. Why I love this recipe is because it is easily customizable to your palate. Since I have some leftover cranberries and I just ran out of my last batch of syrup, I thought I'd show you how to make some. So why make this syrup? Well, not only is it delicious, but it's also a magical and medicinal powerhouse. The reason I love cranberries and spell work is due to the fact they cover so many bases. Need something for protection? Check. Need something for health? That's covered. How about prosperity? Boom. Cranberries. Now, while cranberries may take the first prize for underrated magical berries, I also love them for their medicinal uses. They help cleanse your liver and kidneys. They are full of antioxidants and great at soothing the symptoms of not only colds, but also of UTIs, along with so much more. Enough about how awesome these berries are, and onto how to make this syrup. You will need 2 cups of fresh organic cranberries. Add them to a pot that will hold 4 cups of distilled water. Distilled water is important because it won't have the chlorinated taste of tap water. Now you wait until the water is boiling, bring it down to a simmer, and let the mixture simmer for 15 minutes. If you want to add a little more protection to your syrup, you can add a cinnamon stick and cloves to the water at this point. But I didn't do that because I wanted the cranberries to really shine through in the syrup. You can also stir in your intentions at this point. When your cranberries are finished simmering, strain them out and add 2 cups of sugar, slow, and stir until dissolved. Let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes to make certain the sugar and the water have combined before setting it aside to allow to cool. Once cooled, transfer to a safe storage container and place in your fridge for up to 2 weeks. Fresh fruit syrups have a tendency to ferment, so it is important to check on them before using them. And there you have it, cranberry simple syrup for you to mix into your drinks, baked goods, and so much more. Thank you for coming to my magical corner of the internet. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more witchy content like this. Until next time, stay safe, stay magical, and as always, have the day you deserve. Happy cooking, my witchies. Toodles for now.